Hello my dear viewers, very good morning to everyone. I hope you all are fine and you are happy and you are also doing very well in your studies. So today I am going to start to solve the miscellaneous exercise. Okay. In the last class I have solved few problems and today I am going to solve few more problems which are very important and in regarding what? Indefinite integral. Okay. So the first question of today's class is, the question is integration. You have to integrate integration, that is integration dx by what? Cos x plus a into cos x minus b. This is the question you have to evaluate. Okay. Now before going to these particular questions, there are some arrangement I have done. What I have done, you see, I have written in the numerator one term is sin x plus a minus x minus b. If you cancel x, then what you will get? You will get in the numerator sin a minus b. Okay, sin a minus b. And since I have written an extra term in the numerator, so I multiplied 1 by sin a minus b in the outside such that both the quantity can be cancelled. Sin a minus b and 1 by sin a minus b both are constant and therefore they can be cancelled. My aim is to what? That I can expand this and use some trigonometric formulas to evaluate this integral. Okay. So this is the formula. If you consider this is capital A and this is capital B, then you know sin A minus B equal to what? Sin A into cos B minus cos A into what? Sin B. This formula I have applied here. So I expand it by the formula sin A minus B. So I hope you all are understanding. This is easy as a step, but just from this step to that step is important. You have to make some innovation here, and the innovation is what? I introduce a new term sin x plus a minus x minus b. X's cancel, it will be sin a minus b, and similarly I have multiplied outside 1 by sin a minus b such that the after cancellation we will get this particular result. Okay. Now expand this into the in terms of formula sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now what is the aim? Next step should be we are separating the term. This divided by this one term, this divided by this term. Okay. So what we will do? See. So in the next step, you see you can write like that. So 1 by sin a minus b is there. Okay. One integral will be this divided by this. अगर उसको divide करें, ये separate करें तो क्या होगा? ये देखो cos x plus b and cos x plus b will be cancelled. What will remain? Sin x plus a divided by cos x plus a, and which will be integral, which will be what? Sin x plus a divided by cos x plus a is equal to what? 10x plus a. This is one integral into dx. Okay. Again separate this divided by this. So क्या होगा? It will be cos x plus a and cos x plus a will be cancelled. Remaining what? Sin x plus b divided by what? Cos x plus b. It will be what? You write like that, minus 10. This is minus what? 10x plus b. Okay. Into dx. So this is the final result we get. Ultimately, I hope you understand this step. Go through this. You can easily understand. I am not going to explain much. Here you see 1 by sin a minus b is there. This is will be one integral. One integral will be integration 10x plus a dx. ऐसा होगा integration 10x plus a into dx. You know a formula, integration 10x is equal to what? Log modulus sec x plus 10x. You got this. So here x is replaced by a linear term x plus a. So you can replace every x by x plus a. So your integral becomes, first result will be log modulus sec x plus a plus 10x plus a for the first integral. Okay, for this integral, okay, your result will be modulus of sec x plus a plus tan x plus a, modulus complete. Then for the next integral, integration tan x plus b, same similar type, so you can write log modulus sec x plus b plus tan x plus b, so modulus complete. So finally you can add a constant here. So you have you see that that is a log, this is your particular, suppose log a, and this is your log b. Log a minus log b equal to what? Log a by b. You can use the formula of logarithm as log sec x plus a into plus tan x plus a divided by sec x plus b plus tan x plus b, and finally you give a modulus because this is log modulus of this minus log. ऐसा होगा, suppose log modulus of a minus log modulus of b equal to what? Log modulus of a by b. This is the result I have used. Okay, and finally add the constant, you will get the result. Okay, so this is a particular integral, important one for you, and I hope you understand. Okay, so this is nothing but integration tan x. Integration tan x is equal to what? Log modulus of sec x plus tan x. That particular formula is applicable in this particular problem. Okay, so note down this, and I am proceeding with the next problem now. The next question is, suppose that the integral you are going to do, it is e to the power x by 1 plus e to the power x into 2 plus e to the power x into dx. Okay, in this problem I will just give you a hints and you can do the problem. Okay, and here first you use what? Whenever e to the power is there, e to the power x is there, e to the power x is there, e to the power x is there. So if you substitute e to the power x, then you are getting e to the power x dx. So here substitution method is used first. First let x equal to what? E to the power e to the power x equal to what? Z. So implies e to the power x dx equal to what? dz, this integral. Okay, so your integral becomes what? E to the power x dx is what? dz, and this one is 1 plus z into 2 plus z. Okay, one thing you remember, this type of integral there is a short trick is there. So today I am going to use a short trick and you will enjoy it. Okay, in the last classes this problem is related to what? Method of partial fraction. So this can be written as what? A by 1 plus z plus b by 2 plus z, and ultimately you can find the value of a and b. But in such cases what we will do, here this 2 plus z and 1 plus z, what is the difference between these two particular number? You can take it as a number. Okay, and this particular 2 plus z minus 1 plus z, difference is what? 1. So these are two consecutive numbers, and मैंने आप लोगों को लास्ट क्लास में भी लास्ट वीडियो में पढ़ाया था कि 1 by 2 into 3 कैन बी रिटन एज 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, 1 by smaller minus 1 by greater, उसको partial fraction कर सकते हैं. So this is of the same type. If you suppose this is 2, then it will be 3. So you can write 1 by 1 plus z smaller minus 1 by greater. तो कैसे पढ़ते हैं आप? 1 by 2 into 1 by smaller number minus 1 by greater number. ये दोनों में जो स्मॉलर है सो स्मॉलर से शुरू करेंगे. इज इक्वल टू डी इंटू dz, and finally if you integrate you will get log 1 plus z modulus 1 plus z minus log modulus 2 plus z plus c, and finally the answer is log 1 plus z by 2 plus z plus c, and which will be after replacing 1 plus e to the power x by 2 plus e to the power x plus c. You can write this. Okay, this is the final answer. So this type of question are easier type question, and this type of question asked in the final examination. So what happened, first your focus should be that how to remove e to the power x, and here obviously you are going to use the substitution method and make your problem in a suitable there is a position, and then solve that. Okay, here I am using what method of integration by partial fraction. Okay, so moving ahead with the next question again. So more question I am going to solve in this particular class. So a very important question I am going to discuss. The question is again related to integration by partial fraction. X square plus x plus 1 divided by what, x plus 1 whole square into what, x plus 2 dx. So very interesting question you are going to solve. This type of question repeatedly asked in the final examination. First you have to do what, integration उसका क्या करना है, partial fraction करना है. तो in such expression what is the rule, let us suppose that this is equal to what, क्या करेंगे आप, first you see one is a linear, this is a linear factor, and this linear factor is repeated. This linear factor is what, repeated. This one is what, repeated, and this one is a single individual one. First you write individual one, a by x plus 2, then b by what, x plus 1, and then c by x plus 1 whole square. Whole square लिखने का मतलब है if you take LCM then what will be your LCM, x plus 2 into x plus 1 whole square, such that denominator in the left hand side and denominator in the right hand side must be equal. After taking LCM you will get x plus 2 into x plus 1 whole square, and it will be a into x plus 2 ख़त्म होगा तो क्या होगा, x plus 1 whole square, and this x plus 1 will cancel with 1 x plus 1 cancel with this, and x plus 2 into क्या होगा, x plus 1 होगा, and this c will be multiplied by only x plus 2. Okay, this is finally we take the LCM, and this denominator and that denominator cancel. Left hand side numerator is what, x square plus x plus 1 equal to, finally right hand side numerator is what, a into x plus 1 whole square plus b into x plus 2 into x plus 1 plus c into x plus 2. Okay, now our aim is to find what that is to find what constant a, b and c. ठीक है. Now what we will do, when we find the constant a, at the same time we make these two term what, 0, make these two term what, 0. See what is the common factor between these two terms. क्या common factor है, x plus 2 है. So x plus 2 अगर 0 हो जाए, how it becomes 0, by putting x is equal to what, minus 2. So you put what, x is equal to minus 2 here, then you will get the constant a. Okay, now putting x equal to minus 2, x is equal to what, minus 2, you will get left hand side is what, 4 minus 2 plus 1 means what, 3. Left hand side is what, 3, and right hand side is what, this is 0, this is 0, and it will be what, minus 2 plus 1. This minus 1 whole square means what, a equal to what, 3. So from here what we get, a equal to what, 3. Then putting now your aim is to find the what, constant b suppose, or suppose constant c. b अगर निकालेंगे तो it is very difficult for you. See in this two factor, in this two term में क्या है, what is this two term में, what is the common factor, is x plus 1 is the common factor. So if you put x is equal to -1, then this will become 0, this will become 0, and finally you are getting what, c. So putting x is equal to what, -1, left hand side is what, -1 whole square is 1, it is -1, 1 minus 1 0 and plus 1, this left hand side is what, 1, and right hand side ये 0 हो रहा है, ये 0 हो रहा है, तो what is this, x is equal to -1 पुट करो, क्या होगा, only c, that is c equal to what, 1. So you are getting c equal to what, 1. Okay, now to find the constant b only, so in such cases what we will do, we will compare the coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square on the left hand side, 1, and what is the coefficient of x square in the right hand side. राइट हैंड साइड में क्या हो रहा है, उसको अगर एक्सपांड करोगी तो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस एक्स प्लस 1 होगा, तो एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट इधर क्या आएगी, ए आएगी, एंड इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाइड हियर एक्स इंटू एक्स यू आर गेटिंग एक्स स्क्वायर, उसका कोफिशिएंट क्या होगा, बी आएगी, बीच में क्या है, प्लस है, एंड देयर इज़ नो अदर टर्म कंटेनिंग इन दिस फिगर एज एक्स स्क्वायर. वहाँ में एक्स स्क्वायर नहीं है, हमें एक्स स्क्वायर नहीं है, इधर एक्स स्क्वायर है, इधर एक्स स्क्वायर है, एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट इधर ए है, एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट इधर क्या है, बी है, और दोनों के बीच क्या है, प्लस है. सो राइट हैंड साइड में व्हाट इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, ए प्लस बी, एंड इन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 1. सो कंपेयरिंग द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड, व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग, ए प्लस बी इक्वल टू व्हाट, 1. तो लिखो कंपेयरिंग coefficient of x square in both side. So what we are getting, you are getting a plus b equal to what, 1. Now you already got the value of a equal to what, 3. So putting the value of a equal to 3, b equal to what, 1 minus a, and is equal to 1 minus 3 equal to what, minus 2. So finally we get a, b, c, and your particular integrand is expressed in this way. Okay, so to find the what are the value of a is what, 3, b equal to what, minus 2, and c equal to what, 1. Okay, these are the values. ठीक है. So putting the value of ABC, therefore your expression was what was the expression? The expression was, the integrand was x square plus x plus 1, and it will be what, x plus 1 whole square into x plus 2. This is equal to what? What is a? A equal to what, 3. So you can write this is 3, so a equal to what, 3, b equal to what, minus 2, and c equal to what, 1. Okay, तो आपका partial fraction हो गया है. So now you are going to do what, integration. Taking integration on both sides, x square plus x plus 1 divided by what, x plus 1 whole square into what, x plus 2. So in integration ले ले तो क्या होगा, 3 into integration dx by what, x plus 2. 3 बाहर आएगी, minus 2 into integration dx by what, x plus 1, and last one is integration dx by what, x plus 1 whole square. ठीक है. Now this integral becomes 3 log modulus x plus 2, and this integral becomes 2 log modulus x plus 1. And how to perform this integral, very very important. Okay, let us take a simple example first. Then it will be very good for you to understand. Okay, तो एक simple example ले ले, उसके बाद समझ में आएगा. जैसे हम ले लेते हैं सपोज 1 by x square dx, उसका इंटीग्रल क्या होगा, उसका इंटीग्रल क्या हो रहा है, देखो it will be x to the power minus 2 dx, and finally if you use x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, x to the power n फॉर्मूला यूज़ करो तो क्या हो रहा है, नीचे क्या हो रहा है माइनस 1 एंड दिस विल बी x to the power minus 1, and finally what you are getting 1 by minus 1 into what, x to the power minus 1 means what, minus 1 by minus 1 into x, very important। तो इसमें क्या है, पावर कितना था 2 हो गया, तो पावर रिड्यूस हो गया कितना हो गया 1 हो गया, अंडरस्टूड। दैट मीन्स व्हाट वी गेट बाय 2 minus 1, एंड वट एवर भी द 2 minus 1 रिजल्ट हमें मिला है, ये जो 2 minus 1 इज 1, ये 1 कैसे मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, मल्टीप्लाइड विथ माइनस 1। देन व्हाट विल सपोज मैं अगर कहूँ आपको जे व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रल ऑफ दिस, इसका इंटीग्रल क्या होगा, उस हिसाब से करेंगे तो क्या होगा, आप क्या करेंगे, x का पावर रिड्यूस करेंगे कितना 1 करेंगे, 1 करने के बाद कितना रिजल्ट आ रहा है 2 आया है, तो इसमें कितना मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे माइनस 2 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एंड न्यूमरेटर विल बी व्हाट 1। सो वेरी सिंपल वे टू डू सच टाइप ऑफ इंटीग्रल, ओके, नो नीड टू गो ऑल दिस स्टेप्स, ओके। फ्रॉम द एग्जाम्पल वी डेवलप दैट, सपोज ये 4 हो गया तो इसमें क्या होगा, क्यूब होगा, एंड इट विल बी व्हाट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय व्हाट 3, इसमें जितना पावर है इतना ही नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ओनली व्हाट वी विल डू, विल मल्टीप्लाइड बाय ए नेगेटिव नंबर, अंडरस्टूड, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट हियर, द रिजल्ट बिकम्स व्हाट 1 बाय x plus 1, अर्लियर पावर कितना था, हियर यू सी इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्सप्रेशन दिस x इज ए लीनियर, उसके ऊपर पावर 2 है, इस नीचे ये दिस अंदर का जो फंक्शन है, स्क्वायर के अंदर जो फंक्शन है वो फंक्शन क्या है, लीनियर है। हेयर अंडर जो स्क्वायर के अंदर जो फंक्शन है ये फंक्शन क्या है, x plus 1 विच इज़ ऑल्सो लीनियर, सो x plus 1 उसका पावर कितना होगा 1 होगा, एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर फिगर इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय व्हाट माइनस 1, ठीक है। इफ इधर अगर क्यूब होता तो इसमें होल स्क्वायर होता, एंड देन व्हाट विल मल्टीप्लाइड माइनस 2, और बाद में थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन करें तो क्या हो गया, माइनस 1 इधर मल्टीप्लाई हो गया क्या हो जाएगी, इट विल बी माइनस, एंड दिस इज योर प्लस सी, दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर, ठीक है। सो दिस इंटीग्रल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो हियर सम technique I have developed, so please you have to develop your own technique, this is my own technique to remember the things, okay। so आप इस टाइप की इंटीग्रल में क्या करेंगे, वो टेक्निक डेवलप करें, प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो धीरे धीरे ये टेक्निक क्या होगा, डेवलप हो जाएगी, okay। so this 3 problem I have solved, I want to solve one more problem today and finish the class। Okay, the next problem, integration, suppose question is integration f dash ax plus b within the bracket f of ax plus b whole to the power n dx. This is the integral you are going to do. Very interesting one. Here you see very interesting. If you suppose here again substitution method, if you suppose it is z, then it will be z to the power n, and f of ax plus b its derivative will be what, f dash आ जाएगी कि नहीं, तो automatically what rule we are going to apply, method of substitution here। So let f of ax plus b is equal to what, z, डेराइवेटिव करो, उसका डेराइवेटिव क्या होगा, f डैश ए एक्स प्लस बी, बट अगर ये x होता तो f डैश x हो जाती, बट x इज रिप्लेस बाय व्हाट, ए एक्स प्लस बी, सो अगेन डेराइवेटिव ऑफ दिस, उसका डेराइवेटिव कितना होगा, व्हाट इज द डी डी एक्स ऑफ ए एक्स प्लस बी इक्वल टू व्हाट, ए डेराइवेटिव ऑफ ए कांस्टेंट बाहर आएगा, डी डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 1, एंड डी डी एक्स ऑफ बी इक्वल टू 0, सो इनटू ए, अगेन चेंज रूल इज इनटू ए into dx is equal to what, dz, समझ में आ रहा है? तो फाइनली यू राइट एफ डैश ए एक्स प्लस बी इंटू डी एक्स इक्वल टू what डी जेड बाई what a. So your integral becomes, your integral is what, this is what z to the power n and f dash x plus b into dx दोनों मिला के क्या हो रहा है, this one, okay, dz by what, a. So here at dz by a and 1 by a is a constant, it will come out, it will be z to the power n dz and which equal to 1 by a, and you know the what is the integral of z to the power n dz, very simple, z to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, okay, and then finally add constant, okay, and now replace z. So it will be 1 by a into n plus 1, and what is z? Z is taken as f of ax plus b whole to the power n plus c. So this is the final answer. So I hope you understand my class today, and I have discussed few important questions today and try to explain you, and I hope you all go through these steps and you can understand. These are the important questions and very important in respect of examination point of view. So my earnest request to my viewers is that if you like my videos, then definitely you have to share it, and also आप क्या करेंगे, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबा दीजिए, okay, and more you subscribe will be motivated, and also we will prepare more video classes for you, such that in this pandemic situation you will get utmost help from with the teachers. Thank you very much. Thank you all.